Seligman went on to write then that since some people came out of these situations in a positive way, so there must be something which is known as learned optimism. And learned optimism is nothing but replacing your negative thoughts with a neutral or a positive thought, so that the feeling of helplessness is replaced with optimism. Now from there on, the focus, it turned not only to the study of misery, but also to the study of well-being. Now many of us today have been talking about the well-being of nations, the well-being of individuals and societies. Well, this is where positive psychology has a lot to contribute and has been doing so. First, the positive psychologists, they worked on a theory of happiness as was measured by life satisfaction, and this was then later replaced by well-being theory based upon a measure of flourishing. In 1998, Seligman and his colleagues such as Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi and others got together to develop what they called positive psychology. And this is called positive psychology because the organism or the individual chooses to do something. He has a preference over doing nothing. Doing nothing means helplessness. So that is why positivity here means that the individual chooses to do something instead of doing nothing. And there are again many preferred traits in societies and cultures all across the world. And across your politics, religions, there are some traits which are advocated and which are common throughout the world. And these are traits such as wisdom, integrity, courage, kindness, and so on. Now, positive psychology, it does not as a science prescribe good character. Positive psychology doesn't say that you have to be kind, you have to be this, or so on. It is the values of the culture that you belong to which tells you that you need to have these traits, these virtues, and so on. And positive psychology, it has set out only to help cultures and individuals better achieve what they already value. So positive psychology, under the leadership of Martin Seligman and his colleagues, they set out to identify the values or virtues and strengths which are valued by culture and which individuals would like to possess.